Okay, no, it's fine. There's no problem. Okay, when we turn left, stay in lane 2,
Right side.
behind the BMW.
Okay.
So we can do a U-turn and come back down this road. So we're going to go into the middle. See where that BMW is?
Yeah.
We're going to copy the BMW and come back down this road.
Okay, on the left lane.
Yeah,
Stuff.
in lane 1 if we can do. What I want to do is take you back down. Do me a favor, close your window a sec. What I want to do is bring you back down, so you can see Horsforth on your own. Then you'll know where Horsforth and Stanningley is. Or we can go down Stanningley. It doesn't make a difference to me.
I've seen Horsforth this morning when I went in taxi.
Okay, then we'll try Stanningley. So when we turn left, we're going to remain in lane 2. That's fine. So this only goes to Carvley and Leeds.
Yeah.
That goes to Carvley. That means this lane goes forwards and it turns right, and you can choose any lane to go down the road in. We're going to keep in lane 1 next to the bus lane. But if we were in the lane on the left where this
sign is, I need to be that lane.
Yeah, where that leads is, we're going to go that way.
Yeah.
This red van, he can only go towards Carvley. He can't turn towards Leeds. He cannot come towards you.
I need to signal here.
It's up to you. You have 2 choices. If you do, then signal right. And that shows which choice you're making. So nice and easy into lane 1.
This one?
Yeah, lane 1.
Okay. Can't go in that lane?
No, not yet, not yet.
Because it's not timely. So.
Because we couldn't see the time of that bus lane. Now we can.
Yeah. Because in back of my head I know.
I know. But
if you
we
don't
couldn't see
signs,
the
you
time
should
there.
have- Okay.
So when it's safe, we're going to do a lane change. You're pushing your car very hard in gear 2 and not enough in gear 3 and 4. Okay? The burden of your
Never going
gearing
down,
is
so-
in 1 and 2.
Should we go
Now we
outside?
need to do another lane change, yeah? Now we're going to keep in this lane and go forward, and we're heading for Stanningley. Can you see the blue arrows? The
Yeah.
blue arrows are telling you what side you need to be on to go wherever.
So I'm going straight.
We're going left. Staying behind this grey car. That's fine. Go through the gap. Gear 2. Don't push gear 1 so hard. Try and go higher in gears earlier.
Stop now.
So this is giving you the option of going towards Horsforth
Yeah.
and towards Stanningley. If you turn right, you can only go towards Leeds, to the train station and to Asda.
So I'm staying in middle lane
You need to work that out when you go forward.
to go home. Standing.
So when the lights go green, you read the flow markings and you go wherever you think you need to.
Yeah, Horsforth is this side. Middle lane is Stanningley.
Okay.
So holding at me.
Why would they horn at you? Why were they horning at him, do you know? If you look at his traffic lights, the
Oh,
filter
the
for turning
arrows,
right has come on. Our traffic lights are still red.
Yeah.
So we've done nothing wrong. Here's Stanningley. It's easy, it's much easier now. As long as you're able to see the signs
Yeah.
and follow the signs, there's not an issue.
What if you can't see the right side of crossing? Because with the traffic.
What do you think you need to do then?
Slow. Slow, but very, very
There
slow.
you are. You've answered your own question. So only when I flinched in the car that you responded. You need to respond without me flinching in the car.